It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Shokz OpenRun Pro headphones that are bone conduction technology. Yeah, you heard me right. If you haven't heard about bone conduction technology, it's the fact that these headphones do not have to go in or over your ears. And that's super neat because that means you're going to be able to hear your surroundings, and they're super duper comfortable, you guys. You simply open up the headband, very stretchy, and this doesn't go on top of your head, it goes behind your head like so. And then you just place it right over your ear. That's how they fit, and they actually create sound by traveling through your bone here instead of covering up your ear. So I love the way they fit. They're super comfortable. You won't even notice they're there. I love these headphones for running with audio availability. Now let me show you another thing I love about these. They have designated buttons, you guys. So if you need access to that volume, guess what? You have a button just for that. You turn them on here and you put the volume up and down here. It's wonderful. I love these headphones. I think you will too. That's my point of view.